This video is to demonstrate how to replace a motor in our new metal body grinders. The tool we're going to be using in this demo is an SDG S1S25G, which is our straight die grinder, 25,000 RPM. It's a steel body with a comfort grip added. To replace the motor on this tool, first thing you need to do is put it in a vise, and there's some nice flats on both sides of the tool that you can grab on and clamp on inside the vise. So what we're going to do is we're going to place it in the vise. Okay. Then there's a threaded retainer on the top of the tool, and this you can remove by hand. It should be hand tight. Then next, there is a motor retainer that's threaded in there. Both of these are right-handed threads. What we want to do is take a wrench. An adjustable works great, and you can remove this motor retainer. Once unthreaded, you can remove the whole motor assembly out of the tool. And what you're going to need to do is remove the collet nut on the front of the tool and remove the threaded retainer off of the motor. You're going to need to reuse this part on your drop-in motor assembly. So what you see here with the collet nut on the front is basically what you will receive when you order a drop-in motor. And you'll need to remove the collet nut as seen, put the motor retainer thread side down back on top of the motor, and you can replace your collet nut. Then you can just drop it into your housing, any orientation, and begin threading back down the motor retainer. And then torque it down with a wrench again, just making sure it's really tight. After that, you can add the thread cover, which basically just does that. It protects the threads. Typically during the assembly as well, we will use a bead of blue Loctite. It's 242, just to help retain both the retainer and the threaded cover. And after this, we use to check RPMs, and that's it.